This is way too embarrassing, Shark. I don't think I can do it. Okay. Alright. What do I say?
Do you not do this all the time anyway?
No. I do it on like Instagram and Snapchat, but this is different.
This is you're doing your first proper vlog.
I know, and I'm like, what do you say? What do you do? Okay, bloody hell. Alright. Hey guys. So I'm currently in Iceland, and I thought that it would be a really good idea for me to vlog whilst I'm away on this trip, as like a piece of new content that I can share on my blog. So we've been here for one day already. I couldn't vlog yesterday because my camera battery had died. But yesterday we went to the gorgeous church in Reykjavik. I think it's called Hemminga church, and it was beautiful. And then we went around the Golden Circle and had a look at the Gaza and the imploded volcano there, and a gorgeous waterfall. And I'll just insert like some images right now as I'm talking. And currently now we're making our way to another city that I don't remember the name of, but I will surely tell you when I know. And currently now we are just in a parking lot, waiting for my friend to get off the phone. But yeah, so I'll show you around what I can see currently. So here we are in the car. Sharik is just sitting there. He's very shy. And yeah, so this is how far we have come. And so far, it's been an epic experience. It's very cold though, and the food is very expensive. £15 for some salad from the supermarket. So currently we've just been sort of binge eating on like really bad food, crisps and stuff. That's what we've been living on, and bread. So we're kind of hopefully looking forward to having a proper nice warm meal tonight. But I'll catch you in a bit, and yeah, probably for the rest of the trip I'll just be inserting some visuals of us, because we'll be in the car for quite a while. So we are here by the waterfall, and that's one of the best things about this place is you basically take a picture of the waterfall with that mountain in the back, and it's supposed to look incredible. So yeah, it's freezing cold. I hate the cold, but it's absolutely stunning. Airbnb place, and I just thought I'd give you a quick tour before I get super tired and super lazy and can't be bothered. So the story is, yesterday we stayed at a hotel in Reykjavik, and it was absolutely crazy. So 3 beds, and it was like a shared place, and the bathroom and the kitchen were in the same room. So we kind of feel like this is an upgrade from yesterday. So let me show you this place really quickly. Okay, turn this around. So you walk in, got a place to hang your stuff. Just getting comfortable here. Then we come through here, and you have the toilet, the bog, right there. Me. Hello. Don't know if I'm focused. There you go. Hello. And beautiful shower. Lovely. Cannot wait to get into this tonight. It just looks insane. Then down here, what you have? A little bit of the kitchen. Now just look at that view. Absolutely stunning. washer and dryer, some places to hang his stuff. Lovely. And then I'll turn this light off quickly. And then we walk through here, and we have 2 twin beds here. And then through here you have the living room and another sofa. And outside here there is an amazing, incredible view of the city. So yeah. And this is the first food that we're actually having in Iceland. Everything's good? Not sure. But yes, so far so good. Catch you tomorrow. Had a really good sleep in this Airbnb. It's been epic. It's been amazing. It's super cute, super roomy, and the bed was comfortable. And yeah, so I'm just getting ready now, and it's snowing. This view is just insane. Look at that. Such a beautiful place. And today we are heading to another town. So there's lots of driving as well, meaning that I'll be sleeping most of the time because that's what I do. I just can't stay awake in cars. But yeah, very, very happy. I feel very lucky to have stayed here. Airbnb is legit amazing. A sad goodbye to this beautiful, beautiful, beautiful place. I'm lost to pack as usual. But I just wanted to give you guys the last rundown of this amazing house. It's just been an incredible, incredible place to stay. I so wish I recorded what yesterday was like, because in comparison you would know why. But anyway, I hope the rest of the trip is going to be just as amazing. So we're going to the next town now, and everyone's waiting for me in the car. Probably shouldn't be vlogging. But yeah, I just want to say I had an amazing stay here. I'll try and leave where we stay today down in the description where I went with this. And yeah, just look at that view. So we are just leaving this beautiful place. That smells like egg, but yeah, oh my god. I'm even crying, can you see my eyes? Just so cold. Okay. The view, you can see. Excited to get back in the car. And I really want a hot chocolate tonight. I don't know where we're gonna find it, but that is what I'm craving the most. Wow. So we are walking to a waterfall, right?
We're going to waterfall.
I hope it's not frozen. And I think I got that guy falling on video. I think I got it on video. Him falling. I'm pretty sure I did because I've been recording all this time. It really looked hard though. Yeah. I thought you were gonna have to help him. Yeah. Strong. It's just been snowing everywhere we've been today. Oh yeah, by the way, Dan was saying that they possibly film Game of Thrones. And this is what we came Hey guys, so this is an update. So currently we're making our way to Airbnb, but last night we were stuck in a snowstorm, meaning that we had to sleep outside an Icelandic farmer's house. It was very eventful, lots of they gave us a cup of coffee, which was nice, but it was a super uncomfortable night. And Daniel has been doing his best to get us safely around this island. I don't really think there'll be much to film today, but yeah. I couldn't even film last night because I was so nervous I almost felt sick. Oh yeah. This is our room. But we're only going to get about an hour or less of sleep, so yay! And then we'll be back out there again in a few hours. We'll boop. So we have just left our Airbnb place. Sadly, we could only stay there a few hours because we were supposed to be there last night, but ended up sleeping in the car because the storm was that bad. And currently now, this is the view around me. We're just taking some pictures of the mountains. Absolutely gorgeous. We're heading back to Reykjavik tonight. Have absolutely no idea exactly what gonna happen tonight, but along the way anyway we're making a few pit stops for some attractions and things like that. I'm very excited to get some lunch because I'm really hungry and I had noodles for breakfast, and you know that's not cool. But yeah, so anyway, I'll turn my camera around so that you guys can see this amazing beautiful view along this beautiful road. So there you can see some birds. Let me see if I can zoom in. Oh, can't do that. Anyway, there's some birds, some cars, a few mountains. Daniel and Sharik there chilling. Our little baby car that has been through hell and has been our sanctuary. And I'm wearing my Vans today with my badass socks. Yeah. And my yellow jacket, black turtleneck, kind of feeling a bit warm, and my glasses because I'm nerdy like that. The longest stretch of sea that you'll actually ever see, because it stretches all the way until the Antarctic. Isn't that so cool? Daniel taught me that. There's Shaq.
Hold up, hold.